Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle Shorts. I'm the Honey Badger, and this is a pre-owned Springdale 242 RK. It's got a power tongue jack, 2 batteries set up already, power awning. It's for under $20,000. It has a hot water heater, dual axle. It is under 29 feet in total length and half-ton towable. Okay, it is here on consignment. It comes with a portable solar panel, U-shaped dinette that turns into a bed. As you tell, we got the lights on, going pretty strong here. You got a propane electric refrigerator, 6 cubic foot and freezer. Microwave, 3-burner stove, big oven, 1-piece sink. Nice counter space for a small little trailer. Cabinets, pantry, pull-out sofa with a big campside window, cabinets above. So realistically, there's a lot of natural light in this travel trailer, which is awesome. Flat screen TV. Now, obviously, you can go bigger than that if you want. Radio, Furion speaker system. Coming over here into the bathroom. This is one of the bigger bathrooms in the industry at this size. Now, the way they did this old school shower, you still have the skylight that you could fit up there. So if you're taller, let's say you're 6'2", 6'3", you could still fit in that shower. Sink, medicine cabinet, walk around queen bed. There's a new mattress on it. And you got closets on each side with outlets on each side. And the owner of the trailer already left an ability to hang a TV right there. So that's awesome. If you have any questions, financing is available, and the website where it is located is in the description box below. Till next time, remember that RV stands for toolkit and sense of humor.